Hi everybody, it's Amy again. I'm coming to you today to talk to you about Copaiba. Okay, so no one's ever heard of Copaiba before, and it's actually a resin from the copa tree. And now I'm going to get this on your mind. Copacabana. Just think of it that way, okay? Anyhow, hopefully you'll be singing about that the rest of the day. So Copaiba comes as well in a vitality, but it also comes in a not vitality. Your kit comes vitality. You can put it in your Ningxia every morning. It's incredible for supporting your inflammatory response. So a lot of people who have chronic inflammatory response use Copaiba daily, either in a capsule or in their Ningxia. Great support. It is wonderful for your skin also, and it's great as a hair mask as well. You can add it to egg whites. Amazing as a hair mask. So you guys, use your Copaiba. It's lovely. Don't be scared of the Copacabana. Talk to you all later. Have a great day. Bye.